Let's take a look at final exam question number 92 in Trigonometry Demystified, second edition. Please see page 387. We're dealing with the same situation that we had in questions 90 and 91, and I urge you to go back and watch the videos that explain the answers to those two questions before you come here, so that you'll get a real good idea of how strange this figure actually is. It is a spherical quadrilateral, all of four of whose vertices lie on a single great circle that passes through the poles of the Earth. So in fact what we have is a so-called spherical quadrilateral whose perimeter equals the circumference of the whole Earth, and each and every interior angle equals 180 degrees. The trick is the interior and the exterior of this quadrilateral are kind of hard to define. We can take our pick. Do we want the side facing us mostly to be the interior, or do we want the side facing away from us mostly to be the interior? And it turns out not to matter. We can switch them and everything stays the same. If we talk about the exterior area of this quadrilateral, it's half the surface area of the Earth. If we talk about the interior area, it's also half the surface area of the Earth, and it doesn't matter which side we call the interior and which side we call the exterior. It's always just half of the total surface area of the whole Earth. So they're the same. The exterior area of this spherical quadrilateral equals its interior area. And that is choice D. This is kind of a tricky question. It certainly isn't infinity. We have only so much area on the Earth. 4 times the Earth's surface area? No. No. We're only dealing with half of it. 1/4 of the Earth's surface area? No, again. We are dealing with half of it, not 1/4 of it. 0? Well, no. You can't say that either. But I'll leave it up to you to imagine we could in fact have a quadrilateral on the surface of the Earth whose interior area was almost the whole Earth and whose exterior area was almost 0. I'll leave it up to you how you can do that. Just play around with it. If you have some video animation software that you can fool around with, that'd be great. Then you can make circles go around and around the Earth and play with quadrilaterals that drive your geometry teacher absolutely crazy. If you have a geometry teacher, try pulling this one on them. See what they say. If 8th grade, 9th grade, try that out if you want to mess with the head of your geometry teacher. That's what I always did. I always threw stuff like this at them. They were nice to me about it. They loved it. Again, the answer here is D.